Well, there's my Bedini motor running over there. I decided to build that because I thought I'd go back into electronics, and I'm looking on the internet at YouTube. I thought I'll have a go at building this motor. It looks simple, and I told my partner, and she said, "What's that cost?" I said, "Oh, about tenner in parts." Well, I think I live back in the dark ages there. I finished up paying a lot more than that because one thing led to another. Them coils there, when they're on about building this Bedini circuit, they were on about Litz wire, which is twisted, so I built that so it spins around when the motor's on, twists the cable, it comes along through that funnel, down some pulleys there, along the bottom into that hole. I'll go around this side and I'll show you. Comes out this hole, then there's like a bobbin that goes on there, and then the wire's twisted around the bobbin and also around there, twisted in the Litz form. Got a trip counter there, whether you can see that, it looks a bit dark, so it tells me how many turns I've made. That works fine. Going back to this schoolgirl circuit, well, it wouldn't work, and I just didn't get it. I kept looking at the schematics, going back on YouTube, looking at that again and again, and I saw some chap, he'd built one, and he was showing me the schematics of what he did. He had some like 100 ohm resistor, then a 1k pot, then he says, "I put the trigger reed switch here." I thought, trigger reed switch where? And it's just before that pot there. I know everything's a bit of a mess, it's just a prototype, but you can see it's working now, I've sussed it. So I put a reed switch in there, up this white cable here, look, just there, and that's going around fine. But I had problems before that also. My partner that knows nothing about this sort of technical side, she said, "Why I'd not put the magnets closer together?" Well, I did, and it worked a bit better. I could have kicked her, but anyway, that's another story. I've started to build this one now. This is going to be a bigger diameter wheel made of that plexiglass, and I shall put these magnets all around there, 16 I think, and this is a tri-flare circuit, 3 wires coming out of the coil. I'm going to have a go at that one. Hopefully it'll be more efficient, I don't know. It might prove to be like this one did. You can see I put all these transistors on this like aluminium heatsink rail, testing each one. I've learnt a lot. I think I know what it's about now. Not 100% sure, but I'm going to sit down and have a bottle of whiskey and celebrate my achievements. Goodbye, Bedini circuit.